What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the onion juice to make rinse and mask for hair, which will help your hair regrowth, dandruff, hair fall and premature graying of hair. But before, for anyone new here on my channel, I share methods, tips, and ideas for skincare, hair, and health. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to support us. In this recipes we will use onion juice as a basic, beside other two natural ingredients. The nutrients in onion juice applied to the hair may nourish hair follicles, resulting in increased volume, sheen, and hair strength. Also breakages and thinning may be reduced due to the additional nourishment. Onion juice can be used to treat hair as well as induce new hair growth. The following factors may contribute to onion juice's ability to boost hair health. Dietary sulfur. Onions contain dietary sulfur, which may explain why onion juice can aid hair renewal. Sulfur is a mineral that is found in abundance in the human body. It is required for sufficient enzyme and protein synthesis. Sulfur is also found in keratin, a protein that is one of the building blocks of hair. Onion juice contains sulfur, which may provide the hair with the nutrients it requires to develop. It may help speed up the hair's growth process. Antimicrobial properties. Onions include antibacterial characteristics that may aid in the treatment of scalp infections. Antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that fight free radicals. Flavonoids, for example, are antioxidants found in onions. The aging process is supposed to be aided by free radicals. Free radicals, for example, can damage hair follicles, causing thinning and hair loss. Free radicals can be reduced or eliminated, which can help to protect hair follicles. Coconut oil is a fatty oil derived from either raw or dried coconuts. At room temperature, it looks like solid white butter that melts when heated. This natural oil has a long history of use as a food, cooking oil, and hair and beauty therapy. Coconut oil can assist to boost the health of your hair and scalp. As a result of this, the hair may appear to be growing faster. The following factors may contribute to coconut oil ability to boost hair health. Fights fungal infections. Hair that is healthy starts at the root. It's possible that keeping your scalp healthy will help your hair grow faster. Coconut oil was discovered to help get rid of several types of fungal infections in recent lab research. Coconut oil may aid in the treatment or prevention of dandruff and other fungal infections of the scalp. Calms irritation. Coconut oil is saturated fat found in nature. Its high fat content may aid to relieve scalp irritation, flaking, and itching on the scalp. Coconut oil's fat can also aid in hair moisture retention. Treats split ends. Coconut oil permeates into hair strands better than mineral oil and other types of oils. According to a 2015 review, this may aid in the prevention of hair breakage and split ends. Another study of coconut oil's use in India discovered that it may help prevent hair protein loss. This keeps hair from becoming dry, brittle, or breaking. Protects from heat damage. Using a small amount of coconut oil on wet hair before drying or using heat styling may protect hair from water and heat damage. Hygral fatigue happens when the hair swells up from too much water. Too much swelling can damage the hair or make it break. This can make hair drier and weaker over time. Castor oil has been lauded as a natural option for hair growth by a growing number of beauty aficionados in recent years. Castor oil is an age-old therapy that has long been used in traditional medicine to hydrate the scalp, relieve dandruff, and leave your hair silky and lustrous. Castor oil is derived from the castor bean, Ricinus communis, and is high in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation. It's said to improve the condition of hair follicles and as a result, increase hair growth when applied to the scalp as well as protect against hair loss. Some even claim that using the oil on a monthly basis might increase hair growth by up to 5 times the normal pace. Now after we know the benefits of these ingredients, the question now how we can make onion juice. You should follow these steps. Peel about 4 onions and chop them into small pieces. Extract the juice out of the onion by either squeezing it or using a juicer. Another option is placing the onion pieces into a blender and blending them into a paste. Place the paste in a cheesecloth and squeeze all the juice out. A few drops of essential oil may also help decrease the potent odor of the juice. Peppermint, lavender, and rosemary essential oils can be good options to dilute the smell. Currently, there are no commercial products, such as shampoos, that contain onion juice. However, commercially prepared onion juice and onion liquid extract are available for those who do not want to make their own. Now the first recipe you can make with onion juice is to rinse hair. Method of preparation: put in a small bowl 1 liter of hot water, then add 4 tablespoons of onion juice. Mix it well. Wait until reach room temperature. Rinse your hair with this onion hair rinse. Let it sit for approximately 1 hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo. The second recipe you can make with onion juice is a hair mask. Method of preparation: put in a small bowl 3 tablespoons of onion juice, then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and last add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix it well. Gently massage your scalp using circular movements. Let it sit for approximately 1 hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo. If you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.